My name's Angeline and I attended Camp NAWIC back in 2019 as an apprentice, and I'm currently going into my third year at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo studying construction management. I didn't know what I wanted to do before coming here, and it was just kind of for experience, something to do over the summer, and just to kind of get my foot in the door to see what career options were out there. I think it prepared me in the sense of having a nice background knowledge of the various trades that go into construction, and also it gave me some hands-on experience that set me apart from my peers. It really opened my eyes and just kind of let me know that women can be in construction and there's different paths of going into construction, whether that's trade school or an apprenticeship or going to college or whatnot. I had my aha moment of, oh, this is something that can give me a career for the rest of my life. And I went home and I researched some schools. I already knew about trade school, I knew about going to military and doing CVs, and I changed all of my applications that I already submitted to construction management, and I ended up getting into quite a few schools, so I had some options and ultimately decided on Cal Poly. Cal Poly construction management curriculum really prepares you for the job site. If you really want to build, then you can do that, and a lot of people do know your worth, and you should know your worth as well.